In our last video, so we show you how to set up an Acelle email marketing software. So if you have not watched the video and you are looking for how to set up your Acelle email marketing software, you can just click the link under this video to watch how to set it up fully. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to connect your SMTP server to your Acelle email marketing. So like you have already known, and if you have not known, for you to send emails, bulk emails rather, you need mostly a bulk email sender software and you need an SMTP server. So this is just a simple mail transfer protocol. This is what is going to deliver your emails to emails recipient you are sending to. So there are a lot of different SMTP server. We have Jimmy, yeah, with these are free SMTP, and we have Amazon SCS, we have our MT SMTP, we have a lot of SMTP that we can use, but in this video I'm going to be using Gmail SMTP as a demo for you. So if you don't have money to build your own SMTP server, you can connect Gmail SMTP server to your bulk email sender and start using it to send bulk emails. But the problem is that it has a limitation. With Gmail SMTP, you should be able to send 50 to 500 emails per day. Depends on how strong the SMTP or the Gmail account is. So let's get started. So this is the admin page. So I'm going to switch to customer view. So this is how your customer view is going to look like after you have set up your Acelle marketing. I'm going to come to this sending, on to send the server, add new sending server. You can add Amazon SMTP, you can add Amazon API, you can add SendGrid, you can add Makeground, you can add a lot of SMTP server. So if the SMTP server you want to add to it, it did not say the name listed here, you can just choose this option SMTP. So all you have to fill is just to fill the credential. You're just going to fill the name. You can put any random name here, SMTP1. Then what you need mostly for SMTP is host name, the SMTP username, the encryption method, the SMTP port, and the SMTP password. Then the email from some SMTP. Make sure you use your email from the gateway. Without it, your email is not going to send. So let me show you how to generate Gmail SMTP using Gmail. So let's do. So okay, just go to gmax.co.smtp. So just sign in with the Gmail account you want to use for sending. That is very necessary. Make sure you sign in with the Gmail account you want to use. So just choose the Gmail account. Let me just choose one of these Gmail accounts here for demo. So you can see the credential has been given to us. So I'm going to be using the host name. Your host name is going to always be SMTP. If you are using Gmail and you are using Gmail to generate your SMTP, the host name is going to be smtp.gmail.co. The password is going to be different. Username is going to be gmax. SMTP port, you can use any one here, 587. If you are using 587, your encryption is going to be TLX. So if you are using 587, or if you are using 465, it's going to be XSL. So if you are using 2525, just put it, it's not going to be nothing. So let's use 587. So you're going to be using TLS. So email from where you want to the emails you want to send email from, just put it anywhere. So if like this one also you can send it, send it credit. So for this some SMTP may have limitation the amount of emails you can send, maybe per hour, per minute, or per day, or you can just choose the one. So if the smtp server you are using is unlimited, you can send unlimited, just choose this unlimited. But if it can handle unlimited smtp unlimited sending, just put it here. The sending credit time based, maybe 1 hour or 1 minute or per day, so just put it here. But so let's do this for Gmail 500. Let's just say 400 max for an account a day. So just choose that. So if you want us to build you your own smtp server that you can use to send unlimited, you can just chat us on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video. So just choose the bank server. You have already connected your bank server to it. Click on save. So let's go back to check it if it's okay or not. So let's test. So let me log into one of my email here. Yes. Just put content. Let me just put this content there. Yes, click on send. Can you see the sending server is valid? So if the sending server is not valid, you're going to receive an error message. Can you see it? Enter inbox. So that's one of the advantage of using this Gmail SMTP. And also the SMTP are going to build for you is going to enter inbox. Can you see? It's going to enter inbox, reply to, if you want to send reply to. So that's how you can connect your SMTP server to it. Sorry, can save. Then the next thing you have to come to create your list if you want to send campaign. Add a name list, name it anything. You're from email. So if you want to create your from email, maybe you're using Acelle. Before you can use any from email, you have to verify the emails in your account. So let's click. Sorry, for you to get there, just come to the send option, send the identity. So for you to use any emails as sender, so you have to verify the email. So just click here. So the verification is done. Just refresh. And let's go back to our list. Written on list. So you can just choose it here, the email you want to send your default email subject. You can enter your default email from the name you want to use for sending. Just fill in your details, your company details, just fill everything. So just fill it. So subscription confirm. If you want to do double opt-in and choose it. If you want to send a final welcome email, you can check it. So this is where people sign up for your newsletter of sign up. So this is what sending a welcome email. This is what it means. So when people sign up for your newsletter, so they're going to receive a welcome email. This option, if you want to, this double opt-in is so you want, if someone sign up for your newsletter and you want to be make sure they enter valid emails, so you are going to send them verification emails to validate their emails. So if you want to do that, you can check this option. So but if you don't want to, just uncheck. Is also in the server, just save. You come to your campaign, create a new campaign. So your important, you just enter the kind title, the subject, from email, reply to, enter your reply to. So reply to, so whenever someone receive your emails and they send reply to, you are going to receive the emails to this email you enter here. So let's go save and next. Sorry. Your template, create a new template, and if you have your own template you want to use, you can just upload it. If you want to edit, you can use the email builder classic or pro. So just edit. If you want to edit your content, just edit everything and click on save and close. Then next, and choose your time you want to send it. If you want to schedule it, and choose your time, then click on save and next. No recipient because there's no email. Then there's no recipient, so it's going to bring the option to click on send. So your email is going to start sending at the time you schedule it to. So this is how you can connect to SMTP server to your Acelle email marketing, and you can also add multiple SMTP server to it. So if you have multiple SMTP or multiple Gmail accounts you can add it to it. So that's how it works. So if you want us to set it up for you from A to Z, or you want to get the script, and just click the link under this video. So thank you, we'll see you again.